Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I want to alert everyone that there are scammers posting messages on my channel. If you receive a message that appears to be from me asking you to message me on Telegram, that is not from me. Or it may say that I want to talk to you. No, that is not from me. Those are scammers who hope you will message them back so they can steal your private information. Please do not engage with them. Instead, the best thing to do is report them to YouTube so they can shut them down. Here is how you can report them. On the right side of a posted message, there are 3 dots. When you click the dots, you will see the word report. Click on report and then click the first option. It says unwanted commercial content or spam. YouTube will then receive the alert and they'll shut down their channel so they cannot do this to anyone else. Please help keep everyone safe so no one falls prey to those scammers.